English version, Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 5, Number 19. 19. Reza's weight 36.5 kg. The weight of his younger brothers and his father is 0.8 times and 1.6 times respectively. Number A. Determine the weight of his brother and find the difference between his father and brother weight. Then number 1. His brother weight 0.8 times. And then we can determine 36.5 into 0.8. Then answer will be 29.2 kg. And number B, his father weight 1.6. And then we can write 1.6 times. Then we can write 36.5 into 1.6 equal to 58.4 kg. Then difference between his father and his younger brother is 58.4 minus 29.2 equal to 29.2 kg. Answer A 29.2 kg and B 29.2 kg. Thank you.